So, hello mga Fuminatics. Welcome to the channel Fumitweet TV. So, if you like this channel, click the subscribe button and as well as the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos. So, yan. So, ngayon, huwag na tayo patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! So, hello mga Fuminatics. Welcome to the channel, Fumitweet TV. So, for today, we're going to talk about basketball. So, again, this basketball is very different and very unique from the other basketballs. So, yun nga, without further ado, let's begin. So, for today, we just bought 2 basketballs from Decathlon. Shoutout sa Decathlon nga pala. 2 branches, North EDSA and Tiendesitas. Thank you for providing us the basketball for FumiBasket 2023. So, by the way, let's cut off the shoutouts. And, syempre, pag-usapan natin ito, the Tarmac BT 900, FIBA approved category 7, ultimate game ball. So, sabi nga nila, ultimate game ball nga daw to. Ano nga ba masasabi sa bolang to? Well, it's very good. Pero, syempre, bigyan natin 30 seconds thoughts tong basketball na to. So, let's start. Una, out of the box, para ang dikit sa bola ang dikit sa kamay ng bola. When you shoot, you can sink as many as you can. Most of it, sure ball yun. Third, pag nailaro mo siya sa tablat, na feel mo siya, lumalambot siya over time. Pero hindi yung lambot na parang pumapangit yung talbog. Lumalambot siya na parang smooth yung ride ng bola. Then, pag layup mo, kahit may grip siya, you can sink as many layups as you can. So, price standpoint, mura siya. Yun. So, detailed, bigyan natin ng konting details tong bolang to. Again, ano nga bang meron din sa bolang to? Construction, Tarmac embossed printing, BT 900, microfiber leather, FIBA approved until 2023. Before mag-FIBA World Cup, ibang product line ang i-release ng mga ball manufacturers. So, again, this is only effective during the FIBA qualifiers. Once na nag-FIBA World Cup 2023, I guess magpapalit sila ng product or i-renew nila yung license with FIBA. So, size 7 competition basketball. Meron siyang RFID dito sa na hindi ko alam kung para saan. So, nandito yung valve. Rubbery channel. 8 panel basketball. So, conventional pebble design. Microfiber composite leather. So, ano nga ba masasabi dito? First, the feel of the basketball is very smooth over time. Itong basketball na to na madalas ginagamit for official games ng FumiBasket. Mararamdaman mo siya na parang butter yung madulas na smooth. So, yun nga, you can sink shots. So, hindi na ako nagre-require ng liquid chalk. Yung Athletes Club. So, yun nga, binili ko yung Athletes Club because of Molten. Because of the slippery ng Molten. So, this basketball doesn't require. So, na-test ko na to on a pick-up games using the liquid chalk. So, hindi ako makasink ng shots there. Pero, without the liquid chalk, I can sink many threes sa pick-up games. So, during competition games naman, I sunk 1 3-point and 1 free throw. So, what can I say about this? Mas okay ang feel ng bola nito. Kasi nga, it feels so natural. Mas natural yung feel ng bola. So, as if you are playing with the old generation basketball. Pero, may technology. So, next. Yung mga channels nito is similar to what you can say is Spalding TF1000 Legacy. Kasi nga medyo malalim yung design ng channels niya. Pero, it has a rubbery feel. So, once you do like this, nagigrip mo yung bola. Nagigrip mo siya like this. Yan. So, in short, nadadakot mo talaga yung bola. So, you have enough grip with this basketball. So, wala naman ako naging negative feedback during the FumiBasket elimination games. Kasi nga mas okay yung bola. Bounce and response. Yung bounce and response, you can check yung mga highlights, yung game highlights ng basket. Kasi nga, the bounce of this, hindi siya, na-test ko na siya ng hindi fully inflated. Medyo kailangan mo siya i-pound. When I fully inflated this, mas okay yung bounce and response. So, yun nga, mas maka-perform ka ng magagandang dribbles and as well as combo moves. So, yun nga, ang maganda dito is, pwede kang mag-dribble ng mas marami. Siyempre, mas maganda kasi yung bounce eh. So, you can perform as many combo dribble moves as you can. So, yun. Yun yung masasabi ko on this. Because of this, randomly patterned pebbles. Bakit? What's good about this? Mas may grip ka. Then, you can feel the ball na it's natural. So, yung tunog, para siya yung mga common basketballs na naka-leather design. So, this one is a less broken in basketball with the same model. Yun nga, mafe-feel mo siya na buttery. So, pag-usapan natin, air retention. Your response will depends on the air retention. This one naman kasi, nailaro na siya ng mga several times na. So, as you can see, meron na rin naman siyang wear out dito. Pero this one has more wear outs than this one. Kasi this one is medyo na-broken in na siya, nagbo-break in na siya. Ito yung broken in basketball namin na official game ball as well. Then this one is less broken in, used for warm-ups lang and at the same time pick-up games. Pinantest lang din siya, pero official game ball din to as well. So, ang good thing about this is hindi siya nawawala ng hangin or it won't leak any air kaagad or it won't lose air that much as long as you are fully inflated. So, what does that mean? Hindi siya nawawala ng hangin kaagad. So, we've been playing this for a month na. Then, dumaan din kami ng mga several game tests. Siguro mga 5 game test yon, 5 test run. So, yun nga, to make it official, it is an official game ball. Hindi siya pangit. So, mas matagal siya mag-retain ng hangin. The same as Molten. If you are having a concept of that, you can hybrid Spalding TF1000, Wilson Evolution, and Molten GG7X on a single basketball. So, ang price lang na, ang magiging standout feature nito is the price. Why? The price is very low. It costs 1,750 sa Tarmac. So, you can buy this on the Tarmac if this is still available. Pero syempre, it will be always available on a consistent basis naman siguro. So, you can chat doon sa website ng Decathlon. Chat niya lang sila sa tech support, sa customer support nila about this kung available. So, if you are planning on a league games na indoor setting, you can try this basketball. Bakit? I would recommend talaga na ilaro nyo, you play with this basketball kasi it is feel so natural and the price standpoint, hindi siya masakit sa bulsa. It costs 1,750 only. So, if you are planning or if you are a commissioner, try this basketball on an indoor setting. Okay na magbayad ka doon sa court ng mahal. For me, so we've been playing for a cheaper courts din na indoor setting. This is very good basketball. So, yun nga. On a cheaper options, hindi ka magsisisi sa bolang to. For me, I love this basketball over Molten BG5000. Kasi nga, nagkakaproblema yung Molten over time kapag nagkakaroon ng contact with sweat and body oil, which is the opposite of this. So, yun nga, mas nagiging sticky to the more na nagkakaroon ka ng what do you call this? Contact with body oils and sweat. Mas nagkakaroon siya ng grip. So, it will be consistent as ever. So, yun. Thank you nga pala sa pag-support sa Fumi Basket, Señorita Cafe, Quick PC Solutions. and Pumitik TV as well. So, huwag nyo nakalimutan yung subscribe button, notif bell, plus, syempre, notif bell, and syempre yung the like button, nakalimutan ko na rin. So, ito yung masasabi kong review sa Tarmac BT 900. The grade would be on this basketball is 9.5 out of 10, pero hindi siya ganun ka-perfect. But, good for competition. So, again, thank you for watching. So, see you on the next video. Babush!